In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Patreon's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to this URL. So I'll go ahead and click on the URL. I'll just show you what it looks like. So it is patreon.com portal help contact us. So put that down, pause the video and put that into your web browser, and then you'll come to this page here. And now once you're here, scroll down, and then they got a contact us page. So for general Patreon help, you can click on customer support here, or for developers, you can head over to the community forum for peer-to-peer support. Alright, so if we go ahead and click on create customer support here, please choose a request type. So click which one best describes you and just go through the process, and you'll eventually come to speak to a customer support member.